Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi. This is the unboxing of Logitech G402 Hyperion Fury Gaming Mouse. This mouse is designed to help you play faster as it has gaming-grade performance. Prodigy is up to 8 times faster than standard mice, which means when the mouse is moved or clicked, the on-screen response is near instantaneous. Advanced button tensioning helps keep the left and right mouse buttons primed to click, reducing the force needed to click and delivering exceptional click feel, response, and consistency. Some profile settings require Logitech gaming software available for download at Logitech website. According to many reviewers, this is one of the best mouse available in the market for gaming. The weight is just perfect. Tracking pixel is perfect and the software is a huge plus point. The buttons are smooth and the DPI switches are placed at the rightmost place. It looks great and has got 16.8 million color which is customizable and you can select between the colors and the type, breathing or stagnant as per your wish. The mouse looks like an absolute beast. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.